Okay, we've got this. This is on my electric e-bike 3.0, and I got this because why not? This thing looks pretty cool. It clearly works. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna turn this off so you guys can see that. I'm gonna turn it on. There's no error codes or anything like that. I'm holding my phone, but so I can't like run my bike or anything like that. But you can see full battery. I've got 1,700 miles on this thing because I do e-bike deliveries. And so if I scroll through some of the options, you can see this trip. The volume indicator is at 54 volts. The current is at 0. I'm in pedal assist 1. If I click up, pedal assist 2, pedal assist 3, pedal assist 4. And if I hold the 2 buttons down right here, then you will be able to see that I'll go into the menu. And this is where you want to go ahead and change all of your settings and stuff like that. All you have to do is just look up M7C-2 and just manual, and you'll be able to find that on Google. I know there's a website, electric all-wheel, that has their manual, and that's where I kind of read through mine to understand whatever it is, what I'm looking for. But if we just go through, you guys will be able to see. I know this one is for like the pedal assist mode type, but the one that I like the most so far is if I go to number 8. This allows you to decide what speed cap that you want. And so here, if I change this up to 100, that means that there is no speed cap. And if you get the right parts and stuff like that, you can actually max out your speed on your electric e-bike. At least for me on this bike, I was able to get it up to, I think, like almost 30 miles an hour at one point. And so if we bring this back down, I'd like to leave it at 50, because if I put it at, when I'm doing, what is it called? Food delivery, I don't want to like max out my battery usage. I need it to last long enough. So I usually like to keep it around 32 in order for it to last long enough. But if I don't want to have to always go back and forth between 100 and 32, I just keep it at 50 for myself, because I think 50 is like 42 miles an hour or some number like that. And then what we also have over here is we have a dog who is trying to go to sleep, but I'm over here making review videos. And let's go back to this. And so, yeah, I definitely can tell you without a doubt. Well, let's see if let me see if I can actually set this up here. Nope, I was trying to figure out a way to set this up and hold the camera at the same time so I can actually do this. Okay, well, there it goes. Now I've got. Anyways, I have to end this before I destroy my living room.